Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Fiddler's Friend Room. Hoping you guys have a wonderful day. Today we're doing something special. We're staying at Knoxbury Farm Hotel, and we're going to stay in one of their new renovated rooms. And if you're interested in that story, come join me. Entering into the lobby, we found it very comforting and the staff willing to help. They assigned us to room 216, just right up some stairs. But we decided to park on the side of the hotel and use this key-only entry, headed to the elevators, and went straight to the second floor. Heading up to our room, the carpets were newly renovated, had that new, refreshing carpet smell. And at the doorway, the door plaque was still paper. First impressions of the room as I walked in, very clean and very modern looking. Not quite what I was expecting. What I was expecting was this older motel style with these kind of drab looking red bed covers, what they had in the past. I was pleasantly surprised because we got the cheapest room they had at this hotel, a standard 2 queen room. So yeah, my expectation was not high. But wow, what we found was a new renovated room with an elegant design and several modern accessories. An ambience that felt you were at Knoxbury Farm. Way to go, Knox! So let's take some time and look through this room to see if Knoxbury Farm Hotel has lived up to what they promised. Let's invite these two in. Come on in.
Oh! We're allowed to come in now.
We're allowed to come in.
Oh.
Tell me what you think when you first come in, Crystal.
Oh, it's one of the new rooms.
It is one of the new rooms.
It's nice. Wow.
It is so nice looking.
Oh, look at the plates.
What do you see over here, Terry?
Well, we've got the Calico train, the two old timers that are in Ghost Town, or maybe they're in the Calico, whatever called town, and then the Calico Saloon.
Yeah.
We'll find them when we get over there.
I'll get my picture right here with her.
It's like that's one of the benches in there, right?
It is, yeah.
That's cool.
The hotel promised us 2 queen-size beds. Look how wonderful they look. They look comfy. And for enough electrical plugs by the bed and USB ports, there's aplenty. Right on the clock. There's any USBs on it. Got 2 USBs. And that turns on fine. 2 sides. A phone. View the menu. Services. A little bit of room underneath the beds. Pretty nice looking room. Oh, now I have to do a bed check. Let's see what happens here. Oh, nice and firm. But feels adequate.
Probably brand new beds.
They're probably brand new beds, like Terry's saying. Yeah, they're nice and firm. I think I can sleep here. Good night. We have some switches. Each side. Turns on one reading lamp. Come over the other side. You can do, it just turns it on and off on both sides. Now let's take a look at that entertainment center. The wireless internet was adequate for our usage. We could look up restaurants and the time that the park was open, and even allowed us to stream on our phones. On the vanity, there's a large TV, as you can see. USBs and plugs. Ooh, coffee maker.
Oh, at least they have a refrigerator. I didn't know they were going to have a refrigerator.
Small fridge. Any treats? No treats. Slow closed doors. They also have a Keurig type of coffee maker. Something that's quite nice. But you need to be aware, there is no microwave. The in-room safe is in the bathroom closet area. Let's take a look there. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. here. And these are, ooh, that's nice. Wow. What's this do? This is so cool. Watch this.
It dims the lights.
Okay.
How much light do you
All right,
want?
see you later.
It's like a toy.
It's cool. I want one in my house.
It's really cool. We have some body lotion, another body lotion, makeup remover, and a really nice bar of soap. In the closet area, there's the safe. An iron, an ironing board, a hair blower. There's going to be a hair blower in there. Some laundry stuff here. Let's pull this down. Take a look at it. So you want some dry cleaning or some laundry done? There's a price list here. A nice private commode, shower tub area. A tiled in tub shower combo that gives you a few amenities in here. And there is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Twin rolls of toilet paper if you need it. And the towels are stacked up nice and pretty.
I don't see Snoopy anywhere.
We did not get a Snoopy room. I am very impressed with this room.
Everything in here is brand new. We're lucky we got a new one.
Yeah.
We need that couch in our cabin.
This, yeah. Except I don't think it folds out to a bed.
Maybe it does.
This one
I
probably.
thought for a minute it did.
No, this one does not. As I said, we have full side view.
The splash pad.
Got the pool right there.
Must be warm enough to swim. Is there a hot tub?
It must
Yeah,
be.
Over there in the corner, there's a hot tub.
Yeah, we brought bathing suits, so it will be nice.
I don't want to do that.
Whether exploring the area or looking to spend some quality time with your family, the Knox Hotel allows you to make the most of your stay by offering great services and amenities. For example, this great splash zone. It was nice enough weather, we saw a lot of kids playing in there. They also have this large outdoor gated area and an outdoor pool, and kids can splash around that also. Within this area, there's plenty of seats to lay out in the sun and tables to enjoy a nice dinner like the Knoxberry Farm Chicken to Go. You know, the one that serves up country flavored buckets of fried chicken and biscuits. Oh, that's yummy. One of the benefits of staying at this particular hotel, it is only about a 5-minute walk from the back door to the gates of Knoxberry Farm. You can come and go when you want, and we did. So here we go. Take the turn here. And there it is. Ghost Rider and the front gates right in front of us. Oh, wow. So let's go have some fun. That's kind of a... Wow, that's surely been a pleasure staying at the Knoxberry Farm Hotel. It's been wonderful. The staff has been great. They welcomed us when we got back from the park. They welcomed when we left for the park. How fun is that? Now, the rooms are beautiful. They're nicely renovated, and I hope the information I've given you has given you an idea of what you may or may not want. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Give me 2 thumbs up, because this is George the Fearless Rambler, wanting to ride Ghost Riders again, signing off.